Two advanced AI chatbots. One burning question, which one really delivers? On the left, ChatGPT, the conversational and creative powerhouse from OpenAI. On the right, Perplexity AI, the real-time research-driven assistant. Let's skip the buzzwords and go straight to the features that actually matter. Each category puts points on the board, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The final result might surprise you. Okay, here's the mind map. We're breaking these down by core function, web access, creativity, research and accuracy, multimodal features, pricing, use case fit, and user ratings. We'll go through each category, compare side by side, and yes, there will be a winner for each. First up, core function. So ChatGPT is kind of famous for its conversational vibe. It's like talking to, well, someone who actually gets you. Super handy for writing stories, solving code issues, or even just brainstorming. But yeah, real-time info isn't really its thing unless you're on a paid plan with plugins. Now, Perplexity AI, it's all about facts. So if you like having answers you can actually cite or want up-to-date info, it's awesome. Though sometimes the replies feel a little stiff, you know? Honestly, they're both insanely powerful for their core use, so it's a tie. All right, moving to web access. ChatGPT can browse the web, but only if you're on Plus or Enterprise. And even then, it's kind of slow and just not as robust as you'd hope. Now, Perplexity has real-time web search built in, straight out of the box. You want sources? Boom. You want a filter? Done. But, and it's big, sometimes it floods you with citations that are a bit much, and quality can swing. Still, Perplexity totally wins for web access. Let's get creative. If you're here to brainstorm, write stories, or go wild with ideas, ChatGPT is the highest scorer. It's more like, hey, let's riff together. And it even handles visuals or voice chat. It's not always perfect with facts, but that's not why you're here anyway, right? Perplexity, meanwhile, is pretty formal. It does solid reports and structured info. Yeah, but if you're after creative spark, ChatGPT wins this round hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that the perplexity in Perplexity AI actually comes from stats in language modeling? It basically measures how confused the AI is when predicting text. Nerdy, but fun fact to toss around. Now, research and accuracy. ChatGPT can whip up summaries and get you started, but real talk, it doesn't give you sources unless you ask. And even then, you've got to double check. Perplexity, though, this is its game. Transparent citations, real-time info, and reliable research. Though sometimes it slips up with a wrong link. If you're writing academic papers or need facts that stick, Perplexity takes it. Multimodal features. Okay, ChatGPT can do a lot. Text, images, audio, files, code, even voice and video if you pay. Like one-stop shop. Some stuff does sit behind paywalls, sure. Perplexity's got text, images, audio, files, and these spaces for custom tasks. But it can't do video gens or image editing. So if you want the full creative toolkit, ChatGPT clinches this category. On to pricing. Both give you free access, which is cool, but you'll run into limits pretty quickly. Queries, features, all that jazz. Premium plans are pretty much identical. Around $20 a month for Pro and $200 for Max or Enterprise. So honestly, pricing's a tie. No huge surprises. Use case fit. ChatGPT is awesome for education, coding, brainstorming, writing. You get creative, you stay in flow. But if you need real-time info, you'll want plugins or upgrades. Perplexity is for the academic folks, market research, fact-checking, and super up-to-date answers. Though, for casual convo or crazy creative projects, ChatGPT's more fun. It's a tie. Each shines in its own lane. User ratings. People talk. ChatGPT gets super high marks on creativity and is still the go-to for conversation. Sometimes it goes off script, but you know what? Most users just love it. Perplexity is praised for rock-solid accuracy and research, but it's just not as engaging or creative. So ChatGPT gets the nod here. So here's the radar chart. You can kind of see their strengths. ChatGPT dominates in creativity and conversation, while Perplexity spikes in research accuracy and web access. Both stay pretty close for use cases and pricing. No wild swings there. All right, big takeaway. If you want creative help, engaging chats, or some help with code, ChatGPT is your buddy. If you need real-time info, academic research, or actual citations, you're all in with Perplexity AI. Honestly, for top productivity, use both. Like, why pick just one? Hey, let me know. Are you Team ChatGPT or Team Perplexity? Use the free versions, mess around, and figure out which one actually boosts your game. Your smarter workflow is out there, so take them for a spin.